Hey, Johnny, I'm empty. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, great. Listen, I got a pickup for you. 55775 Sherway Gardens in Chicago, Illinois. I'm sending it to you right now. You're picking up a loaded trailer there. All right, what's the commodity? It is skidded freight. Where's it going? Going to Huntington, West Virginia. And when's the delivery? Tomorrow, first thing in the morning. How far is that? It is 433 miles. You really think I'll make it? Yeah, of course you're gonna make it. Come on, 433 miles. All right, send me a text with the full address. I'm heading there now.
20 minutes later.
Oh, Johnny, man, this yard is huge. Where do you want me to find this trailer? There's like 300 trailers over here. It's there, just find it. There's 300 trailers here. I'm not there, I can't look for it. Just find it. All right, I'll look for it.
20 minutes later.
Johnny, there's no trailer here. 7725 does not exist in this yard. Bob, open your eyes. That trailer is there. 7729, just find it. Johnny, are you kidding me? Your text message said 7725, not 7729. I just wasted 30 minutes of my life over here. Oh, sorry, my bad. Johnny, who's gonna pay me for this time? My God, all right, I'm gonna go check again. All right.
20 minutes later.
All right, Johnny, I just hooked on, but we got two problems. Number one, the ABS is flashing. And number two, my passenger side brake light does not work. Oh, great. Come on, do you ever call me with good news? Okay, there's a TA literally 7 miles away. No, I'm not driving defective equipment. Come on, man, it's 7 miles away. Don't make a big deal out of it. Johnny, just get a service call. Service call? That's $500. Come on, times are tough. We can't afford that right now. That is not my problem. I cannot and will not drive defective equipment. It's my license. Do you want to stay there all day? I don't understand. No, I don't. Do you know what's going to happen if you don't make your delivery tomorrow first thing in the morning? No. What? It's $1,000 fine, and you know who's gonna be paying for that? You are. Just drive the 7 miles. Stop being a little baby. Okay, you know what? Forget it. I'll do it. What if I get pulled over? Bob, don't worry. If anything happens, I'll take the blame. All right, if you're taking the blame, in that case, I'll do it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh, come on. No.
5 minutes later.
Johnny, you won't believe what just happened. I just got pulled over. I got 3 citations, 2 tickets, and an out of service. For God's sakes, I didn't need these problems. Oh my God, who in the world told you to drive a defective equipment? Are you effing kidding me, Johnny? I don't know why. Why in the world would I believe you? You guys are all the same. You dispatchers are all the same. When I'm coming to the yard, I'm dropping off the keys to you. Anyways, get me service, man. I'm stuck here. What can I do?